So I guess I did a really good job on my last video because you edited it really fast. That's awesome. You know, I guess I have to pat myself on the back.
But you can't because your arms are too short.
And I have too many beans. I'll do it for you, Dots. You know, you guys really have to stop slowing me around. I mean, the truth is, if you want me to be around a little bit longer, you know, you have to just stop, you know, with the roughhousing. What if we don't want you to be around a little bit longer, Dots?